How to fix Noritz Error Code 29. First, turn off the heater. Turn the Noritz heater off using its controller, then disconnect electrical power before inspecting the drain system. Step 2. Find the condensate drain. Look underneath the Noritz unit for the condensate drain line. On condensing models, condensate leaves the heater through a drain line and normally flows by gravity toward a floor drain or other approved drain point. Noritz specifies that the line should be plastic, at least ½ inch inside diameter, short, direct, and sloped towards the drain. Step 3. Check for a blockage or frozen pipe. Follow the drain line from the heater to where it empties. Look for nicks, dirt or debris, standing water, a blocked drain, ice if the pipe runs outdoors. Step 4. Clear the drain. If you find an obvious blockage, clear it so condensate can flow freely. If the outdoor pipe is frozen, thaw the blockage and make sure the line can drain afterward. Noritz recommends freeze prevention measures where condensate lines are exposed to freezing temperatures. Step 5. Check the drain routing. Make sure the condensate pipe is sloping downward toward its final drain point. Noritz says the drain should be as direct as possible and warns against adding additional traps because the unit already has an internal trap. Step 6. Restore power and reset. Once the drain is clear and correctly routed, restore power and turn the heater back on. Run a hot water tap and check whether the error 29 disappears and condensate is able to drain normally. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.